Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brenke, and today I'm going to be installing an aftermarket center console on my SLK230. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm going to be installing an aftermarket center console, and really it's because of the cup holders. Where the cup holders are on this car, it's just a bad location. I always feel like it's either going to fall out or, it's blocking the view. Just not a good design. So hopefully this will be a little better with this aftermarket center console. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so my wife picked up this aftermarket center console. It's got a little tissue holder here, and it's got the two cup holders, and looks like probably a phone holder right here, so that's kind of nice. This is going to be incredibly easy to install. Oh, it's got little pockets on the sides too, on each side, so that's kind of nice. So this is going to be super easy to install. I'm going to put a link in the description below for this in case you are interested in getting this. But it just basically, I like this print on here too. It looks real nice. Basically, it just goes on the existing little center console door. It's got straps on here that are Velcro, and so these will actually Velcro around this lid. And so, might be a little high. I don't know. I'm not sure about the positions of the drinks, but that's really what we got this for, is because I absolutely hate where the existing cup holders are. This is just a bad location, because then when you put something up here, then it's in your field of vision, Plus they shake when you're driving, and it's like, I just feel like they're going to fall. But we're going to give this a try here. Like I said, it's just going to Velcro on here, so this should be pretty easy to install. Maybe not so much trying to hold the camera at the same time, but we'll see how this goes. All right. So that did not take very long at all to install. Again, it's just a couple of Velcro straps. I'm not sure how I like it, because it does make the existing little compartment there a little harder to get to, but it looks nice. It almost looks factory. It's got the red piping on the edge, which is nice. And then yeah, I don't know. We'll find out how we like it when we go on our trip. And like I said, I will put a link for this product in the description below. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brenke, and I'll see you next time.